So you're thinking of buying in a Tampa luxury condo community? In this video, I'm going to show you around the great West Shore Marina District in South Tampa. As always, I'll take you to several great condo communities and top attractions so you can see what may fit best with your lifestyle. You won't want to miss it. Let's get started. If this is your first time on the channel and you want to know everything about buying or selling in a Tampa luxury condo community, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the Tampa luxury condo market and lifestyle. My name is Nathaniel Ligon, the Tampa Condo King. I specialize in representing luxury condo owners and buyers in Tampa, Florida. I get calls every day from people just like you. So whether you're looking to buy or sell in 10 days or 10 weeks, please reach out as all of my contact information is in the description box below. I would love to help you win in the Tampa luxury condo market. Now let's take a closer look at the West Shore Marina District in South Tampa. West Shore Marina District is ideally located in the heart of Tampa Bay along West Shore Boulevard, just south of Gandy Boulevard. Major thoroughfares providing direct access to downtown Tampa, just 6 miles east, and downtown St. Petersburg, 10 miles directly southwest. The prestigious South Tampa location is convenient to the area's finest shopping, dining, nightlife, professional sports, arts and entertainment, commerce, and culture. Residential offerings range from luxurious marina-front tower residences with private club amenities to contemporary townhomes and stylish resort-style apartments. Designed for walkability, the beautifully landscaped neighborhood features a comprehensive array of amenities, office and retail, including exciting new waterfront restaurants. Miles of urban trails and parks lined with public art provide endless opportunities for outdoor recreation. A brand new deep water marina offers boaters unrestricted access to Tampa Bay and beyond. At the heart of West Shore Marina District is the town center, designed to activate the waterfront and energize the neighborhood. Marina Landings is home to shops and restaurants that make life in the district convenient and enjoyable. Marina Landings offers district residents and guests an array of shopping, dining, and services, all within a few steps from the residences. Here we are at West Shore Yacht Club in South Tampa's West Shore Marina District. So one of the most highly sought after communities in all of Tampa, 24/7 guard gated waterfront community, has a great mix of single family residences, condos, and townhomes. A great list of amenities that we'll talk about in a little while. Also, there are new condo residences going up as we speak. So those should be completed in the next couple years, somewhere around 2026. So the other residences here on site were built in phases between about 2006 and 2016. So again, one of the most highly sought after communities in all of Tampa here at West Shore Yacht Club. West Shore Yacht Club residents have exclusive access to top-notch amenities, including the prestigious Bay Club membership, granting you privileges to enjoy 2 pools, a fitness center, lounge area, on-site tiki bar, casual poolside indoor and outdoor dining, day spa, sunset bar, and dining. Plus, take advantage of marina access for the boating enthusiast, 149 slips on Old Tampa Bay with a deep water depth of 12 feet. Also, the community has a playground and dog park. Here we are at the Castillo Tower within West Shore Yacht Club. So as I mentioned, West Shore Yacht Club does have a variety of residences from single family to townhomes to condo. So we are, again, within the West Shore Yacht Club still, but in the Castillo Tower. So Castillo residents have their own set of amenities in addition to everything that West Shore Yacht Club has to offer. So this particular building was built in 2007, and there are 16 floors and 80 total residences. In terms of the recent sales activity, one is currently on the market, one is under contract, and there have been 3 that sold within the last 6 months, ranging from $1 million to $1.1 million. So the average price per square foot for those residences was $508 per square foot. And also residents pay a few different fees on a semi-annual basis and also a quarterly basis, but overall it rounds out to about $2,200 per month in HOA fee. So it's a great situation to be in, still being here within West Shore Yacht Club, also being within the Castillo Tower. You have your own set of amenities, and it's definitely a great lifestyle. Not only do residents of Castillo Tower have access to all the top-notch amenities of West Shore Yacht Club, they also have amenities specific to their tower, including a sparkling heated swimming pool and jacuzzi spa, tastefully decorated social rooms with catering kitchen, outdoor grilling pavilion, 2 overnight guest suites, fitness center, movie theater, steam shower and saunas, on-site management, and bicycle and kayak storage. All right, we just left the Castillo Tower, so we just walked pretty close by, and as you could see behind me, we are in the last remaining parcel here on West Shore Yacht Club, and the Aqua Condo building will be completed here in the next couple of years. They're estimating 2026, so we'll see as construction progresses and how things evolve. But residents of the Aqua Tower will be able to enjoy all the amenities of being at West Shore Yacht Club. And like the Castillo Tower, they'll have their own particular set of amenities as well, being in Aqua. So the luxury condo residences should be gorgeous. There will be about 17 floors and 77 units. So it will be absolutely beautiful and an absolutely prime spot, again, here on West Shore Yacht Club, gated waterfront community in South Tampa's West Shore Marina District. The amenities will include a rooftop sky pool with bay views and private cabanas, breathtaking views of Old Tampa Bay, plus a 3rd floor pool with spa, outdoor grilling station and lounge area, spacious and elegantly appointed club room with conversational seating areas, sports lounge and billiard area, and private dining room, state-of-the-art golf simulator, theater with plush seating, private offices, children's playroom, and 2 fully furnished guest suites, bayfront fitness center on the 17th floor with yoga and spin room, climate-controlled storage for each residence on the same level. Residents and guests will be welcomed by valet attendant under the covered entrance leading to the residential lobby with a signature ceremonial staircase that leads to the 2nd floor lounge library. 24/7 staffed lobby, on-site property manager, and service personnel ensure an effortless lifestyle. Here we are at Hula Bay, one of the most popular restaurants here in South Tampa's West Shore Marina District. So if you are a resident here in the district, then you'll have access to this restaurant pretty close by. So it's only within about a half mile from West Shore Yacht Club, for example, and also Marina Point. So very close. It's a great waterfront restaurant right here on Old Tampa Bay. So beautiful views, really good food and drink, and of course, just a great overall vibe. It's really like a laid back Hawaiian type vibe. They've got live music here as well. So really a great place and one that a lot of residents enjoy very close by. Another great restaurant option right here in South Tampa's West Shore Marina District is Salt Shack. So it's just down the road from Hula Bay. Both are really good restaurants. I've been to both on multiple occasions. Both are very good. Salt Shack opened up in 2019. They were actually named in New York Times' 50 best restaurants in the US recently. So it's definitely a very popular restaurant. Similar to Hula Bay, it is waterfront. Again, it's just down the road from Hula Bay. Very nice food menu and drink menu. And of course, the views and the sunsets and just the outdoor ambiance is really, really nice. So be sure to check both of them out when you get an opportunity. But here we are at Salt Shack. Again, it is very close to the Marina District and West Shore Yacht Club and Marina Point. So if you're a resident in this area, then it's going to be very close by and is very popular for locals and tourists alike. All right, here we are in Marina Point. So it is in the West Shore Marina District here in South Tampa. It's the 2nd stop on our community tour here for the day. So Tower 1 was just completed in 2023. So it's essentially brand new build, tremendous amenities, which we'll talk about more in a second. Great location right here on the water. So there are 123 luxury condo residences, and then the next phase of construction, Tower 2, is underway, and that is scheduled to be completed in 2026. So we'll keep tabs on the construction and see how the timeline evolves. That's where it's at now. That tower will have 157 luxury condo residences. So some great options here if you're looking for a newer build condo community, but don't necessarily want to wait for new construction. So there are some resales available and some activity, or if you want brand new construction, then that could be an option to be here in Marina Point and wait a couple years while the build out is taking place. So some of the amazing amenities that the community offers: oversized resort style pool decks overlooking scenic Tampa Bay, spacious heated pools and secluded heated spa, built-in day beds, covered pavilion with gas grills, secured off-leash dog park with pet-friendly turf, private boat slips based on availability in the luxurious on-site deep water marina managed by a full-time dockmaster, lush landscape trails with easy access to Sunset Park, and waterfront fitness center with state-of-the-art cardio and strength training equipment, relaxing meditative outdoor yoga area with a Zen garden, luxurious women's and men's locker rooms with steam rooms and showers, private massage studio as well, bocce court with stunning views of the bay, modern and stylish resident social rooms, ample bar and large screen high definition TV, convenient spacious private dining and entertaining room, accommodating kitchenette, virtual indoor sports simulators on site, beautiful luxury guest suites available to owners on reservation basis, stylish reception desk staffed by a 24/7 concierge, easy bicycle storage, mailroom and secured package storage, business room with conference desk. All right, here in Tower 1, just to give you some background on the overall sales activity. So there are 12 units available right now for sale, and those range between 1.05 million and 3.08 million. Also, just to give you an idea, the average HOA on those units is right around $2,013 per month. And then to give you some statistics on the recent sold, so there are 4 under contract right now and 5 have sold in the last 6 months, ranging from 800,000 to 2.58 million. So the average price per square foot was about $676. And Tower 2, the pricing is going to range from about 700,000 all the way up to about 4 million. All right, that'll do it for today's video as we toured the great West Shore Marina District in South Tampa. I hope you enjoyed and got great value from it. Thanks so much for tuning in. Let me know in comments if you have any questions, comments, or feedback. Always appreciate helping you out. Whether you're looking to buy or sell in 10 days or 10 weeks, please reach out. All of my contact information is in the description box below. I would love to help you win in the Tampa luxury condo market. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.